This is my Lenovo T440p ThinkPad. I got it for under $100 from Facebook Marketplace, and honestly, when I bought it, I was quite surprised on how quiet this laptop really is. And the laptop runs surprisingly cool under load. So yeah, I played a little bit of Stalker Shadow of Chernobyl, and it's a bit laggy here, but enjoy the music. How captivating. And on the right side, you will find a DVD drive with two USB ports and a Kensington lock. Two USB ports on this side also with a VGA output, headphone jack, display output, and SD card reader. A fingerprint scanner on the top. Lenovo proprietary charger with Ethernet port and a removable battery, which is uncommon nowadays. And underneath the battery is another SD card reader. And to get into the internals of the laptop, you just have to unscrew two screws from the bottom, and you just slide the bottom cover out. And yeah, I'm struggling a bit to do one-handed, but here are the internals. And underneath you have your DDR3 RAM, your removable i5, a 256 gigabyte SSD, an M.2 slot, and the optical drive, which is underneath. And in the meantime, I decided to clean off the thermal paste from the CPU, as I was not sure when it was cleaned off last time, and it was really crusty. Just as crusty as your grandma's yeah, anyway, I used cotton buds to clean off the thermal paste and just reapplied new thermal paste. Yeah, you can see that my hand is very shaky when I was doing that. So I applied this type of pattern on the CPU because why not, and just screwed the cooler back on and just put everything back together because I was technically finished with just basic maintenance. And yeah, I was struggling a bit here. But other than that, it was fairly easy to just put everything back together, honestly. And let's see if I messed anything up. Well, it turned on, so I think it's good. And for under $100, it's a fairly decent laptop. You can do your everyday tasks. I will, however, have to replace this keyboard. It's really worn down and it's in a finished layout and there's no backlight, so I can't see when I'm typing in the dark. And if you are getting this laptop, I do recommend upgrading to an i7 quad core, as it's faster than my dual core i5. And this laptop is very quiet. You can barely hear the fan.